Okay. If you are having trouble joining a Zoom meeting, I just wanted to hop on here real quick and give you a quick tutorial for how to do that, two different ways. The first way, if you do not, I don't know if you guys can see my toolbox or my bar down here. The first one, there's an app with, it's like a little blue box and it has a video recorder. If you can't see it, I'm not entirely sure. Um, but so that's one way is by using the app. The other way is simply by logging on to or getting onto the internet and going to zoom.us/meetings. You can see that up here in the top. It says you can sign up for free, and if you want to, that's when you would get this little Zoom.us app. But if not, that's completely fine. You can do it without signing in. You just will click on join a meeting. So here it will tell you that you need a meeting ID. This is when you will come up here into the Padlet, the document or site that we have been sending out. You're going to come down to the live Zoom meetings, find my name, and then this has the meeting ID. So that is when you will go back up. I would just copy and paste it so you have it right. You'll come back up here, you'll type it in. You will click join. Open Zoom.us. And then this is where you will for sure want to join with computer audio. This is how your child will be able to talk, how they'll be able to hear their friends. You'll just click join, and then here you are. On some of them, though, it may ask for a password, and that is completely okay. You will see, let me get out of this because I don't need it. You will see that I have also included a meeting password down here. So you'll just need to type in the password number and that will be completely okay. The second way is through the app. So here you will see I have opened my Zoom.us app. And for this to join a meeting, you will just click on join. You will put in the meeting ID or password, which is what you will get right here. Type it in, and you don't want to click any of these because you want your child to be able to connect with audio and you want them to have video access. Type in their name. I'll do that real quick. Type in the code. Join. Once again, join with computer audio. And that's it.